How to get Hulu on your TCL Roku TV. Step number 1, verify internet connection. Ensure your TCL Roku TV is connected to the internet via Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Step number 2, access the Roku home screen. Press the home button on your Roku remote to navigate to the main screen. Step number 3, open the Roku Channel Store. Scroll down and select streaming channels to open the Roku Channel Store. Step number 4, search for the Hulu app. Select the search channels and type Hulu using the on-screen keyboard. Step number 5, add the Hulu channel. Highlight the Hulu channel from the search results and select Add Channel. Step number 6, launch the Hulu app. After installation, return to the Roku home screen. Navigate to and select the Hulu app to open it. Step number 7, log into your Hulu account. Enter your Hulu username and password. If you don't have an account, follow the on-screen instructions to create one. Step number 8, start streaming. Browse through Hulu's content library and select the show or movie you wish to watch.